The health and safety of our DC Streetcar and DC Circulator passengers and operators is our top priority as the district continues its response to coronavirus. We are taking every precaution to make sure that our vehicles and facilities are cleaned and sanitized daily. DC Circulator buses are cleaned at all 3 facilities daily. The cleaning crews manually spray and wipe down every surface that riders and drivers come in contact with while riding one of our vehicles. The DC Streetcar vehicles are cleaned 4 times daily while the cars are in service and after they return to the car barn at night. For the duration of the declared public health emergency, the DC Circulator and DC Streetcar are available for essential trips only. To find out more about the district's response to COVID-19, please visit coronavirus.dc.gov.